Here I have TCL Top 10s NXT Vision, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Google app, which you can find on your device because it must be pre-installed. So here we have it. Then you tap on the gear icon here, on camera icon, excuse me. Open photo gallery, allow, then search with your camera. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So you have to, when you have this QR code in your camera side, you have to tap on the search icon here. And as you can see, then it shows me the suggestion, the web page which has been encoded with this QR code. So you can open website, copy link, or just share it. So let's open website and see what's been here. And yeah, that's how you can scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.